going to real challenge this Berndes non-stick pan. I'm not going to use the typical egg like all the pans can do it. I'm going to do this coral twill. So in this mix I have just water, oil, bit of flour and just a bit of this red colorant. So I need my pan in medium heat and just have like a evenly surface, like covering all the surface. Try to do as thin as you can just to challenge even more the pan. And so what is happening right now, it's all the water is evaporating from the pan. The oil, they will cook, actually they will make crispy the flour, and of course the color is just for the decoration. And as you can see right now, all the bubbles, they are happening in all the single part of the surface, so that means it's very even and yeah, and very consistent as well. The heat that we are injecting to the coral twill. Yeah, reduce the heat because actually what we need is just the evaporation. The oil, they will cook anyway, the twill. After a few minutes, you will see how the edges of the twill, they are like coming out from the surface. So that means that it starts to be dry. After 5 minutes, you can see like all the water is evaporated and you have all the oil on the side. So I'm going to just cool down the pan and we're going to take it out from there. After some minutes, the pan is getting cold, so I'm going to remove the excess of fat that we have in the pan. Carefully don't break the twill. I'm using just one plate. I'm going to just flip it. So you can see the twill is totally out from the pan. Yeah, pretty happy with that. So now you can just break it and you can use like garnish in some, I don't know, in some desserts. You can put some icing sugar if you want to make it sweet, or you can just leave it savory and put some garnish in your salad.